If you want to show SIM contacts on a Motorola Edge 70, what you can do is you can go to the Contacts app that you should be able to find on the app drawer. Now once we go to contacts in here, there is a chance that you will have the option to switch to SIM contacts by going to all contacts over here, and you might be able to find your SIM options in here. However, if for some reason you do not have SIM contacts in there, you have two options. You can, for example, go to Organize. Then over here we have the Manage SIM option and select the SIM that you want to check. And in here you should be able to find all contacts that are saved on that SIM card. And then you can choose to transfer these contacts to, for example, your Google account or your device storage. And once you import, then of course you should be able to see all these contacts. And another way to find specific SIM contacts that are saved on a SIM card, is by using a third-party app. For example, I found, let me actually try to show you, if you type SIM contacts or something like that, so let's type SIM contacts over here, then you should be able to find a bunch of different apps that should allow you to show these contacts. But over here we have this one. This is the one that I actually used. And let's stop over here. Then once we go over here, once we open this app, we have the same information, and then in the upper left corner we can switch to contacts and you can see SIM contacts in here. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.